My name is Ira Smith, President of Ira Smith Trustee and Receiver, Inc. First, the Ira Smith team hopes that you and your family are safe, healthy, and secure during this coronavirus pandemic. Ira Smith Trustee and Receiver, Inc. is fully operational. Both Brandon Smith and myself are holding all meetings, all no-cost consultations by telephone or video chat. So if you have any questions at all, feel free to shoot us an email, give us a phone call. We would love to hear from you. Today's Brandon's blog relates to the work that we also do as estate trustee. In July 2019, we set up our sister business, Smith Estate Trustee Ontario, to act as estate trustee in deceased estates. So today's blog that Brandon wrote is titled Probate Ontario, Properties, Debts, Estate Trustee Rules, and More. It's really an FAQ of the most common questions we are asked about probate in Ontario. So I hope you can watch until the end of the video because I know you will get value from it. So down below is the blog Probate Ontario, Properties, Debts, Estate Trustee Rules, and More. Brandon has answered the most frequently asked questions people ask us about estate trustee matters. Now, I just want to remind you that we are not lawyers. We are not qualified to give estate planning advice. If you have questions regarding specifics about your estate planning, you should deal with your professional advisors, your legal advisor. But in acting as a estate trustee, we are very familiar with all of the concepts, and that is why Brandon felt writing this blog would be of help. So the topics that Brandon goes over are: what is probate in Ontario? What assets are subject to probate in Ontario? What is the certificate of appointment of estate trustee? What does an estate trustee have to disclose to beneficiaries? What is the estate information return? What are the ways to avoid probate in Ontario for an estate? How long does probate take in Ontario? How does my estate, the assets themselves, get transferred after I die? What happens if someone dies without a will in Ontario? That is called dying intestate. Do I have to file taxes for the deceased if I am the estate trustee? Spoiler alert, the answer is yes. If your parents die with debt, who pays for that debt? And then finally, Brandon lists the various blogs he has already written on estate trustee matters that you may find interesting as well. So again, the Ira Smith team hopes that you and your family remain safe, healthy, and secure during this COVID-19 pandemic. Ira Smith Trustee and Receiver, Inc. is fully operational. Both Brandon Smith and myself are available to answer any questions you might have, either about this blog or anything else at all. So shoot us a message, give us a phone call. We would love to hear from you.